Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a video called eating a dragon fruit for the first time. Fun fact, the reason why it's called a dragon fruit is because the little these thingies on them, they look like a dragon's tail. So, boom, let's go in. Cheers guys. Cheers. 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 Pretty good. Give some to you guys. Try it. You didn't really think I was gonna eat it with your spit. I did actually eat it with your guys' spit. Tastes like a cucumber with no flavor. That's weird, but cool. And guys, I got a Fortnite $20 V-Bucks gift card. Let's go bet. So guys, I need to end the video. Bye guys.